Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Windows support only one display language or how to fix can't change language here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the very first step that you need to do is you need to open your Google Chrome or whatever browser that you have. And here you need to copy this link that I have. Don't worry because I'll be pasting this at the description box below. So no worries for that. Simply copy it and paste it here at the Windows search bar or at the search bar itself. And wait until you are being redirected to the result of our link that we have. Now we are here. You need to scroll down, okay? And here you can see a list of the language in this table chart. Now here's the catch. You need to select the first language or the language that you'd understand that you'd like to set in your Windows display with. Okay, so if you are a Chinese, then you can go with this Chinese traditional. If you are a Cornish or the Cornish UK, you can go with that. Or if you are a Dutch or English, you can go with this. Okay, so just have to select it. Okay, and once you have selected it, if you are a French, then you can go with this. Now here, you need to select the last three digit of the code. Okay? I mean, sorry, the last four digit rather. Sorry for that, my bad. Okay? So just have to select the last four digit and you can write it or you can paste it anywhere you'd like. Okay? Just have to paste it here because we will need that on our next step. Okay, just have to minimize this once you're done. And here at the button search bar, this time you need to type for regist edit. Once you've typed it, a system called registry editor will appear. You go with run as administrator. And here your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes. Okay, so here you need to go with HKey local machine and then click this forward arrow and you need to proceed on system. Once you have to go with the system, you need to click this forward arrow and this time you need to go with current control set. Click this forward arrow and this time you need to go with control and then click this forward arrow. And here in the bunch list of folders, type N so that you would be redirected to the file folder starting with N and go with NIS. Okay, here you need to click this forward arrow and go with language. So we have just been into HK local machine, then you go with system, then you go with current control set, then you go with control, then you go with NIS, then go with language, then select the language. And here at the default, just have to double tap that and you need to change the value data on the code that you have copied in your first language or the language that you'd like to be set in your Windows too. Okay, so in my case, since I'd like to set French language in my Windows, so I'm going with the 040C. Click on OK and go with the install language as well and set it into the code that we have, which is 040C in my case. So simply click on OK and then close all of these file folders. Okay. The moment you have closed it, just have to close this window as well, and then you need to restart your computer. So once you have restarted your computer, there you have that you'd be able to set the language that you have just changed in your registry editor as well, and it will be set all over in your Windows across the application. So that's the very first step. So the second step that you can perform in order to do so is here at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and go with settings. Okay, so here at the settings, you need to wait until the options are ready or seen here. Okay, so once are ready, you need to proceed on time and language, click on it, and this time you need to go with language and region. So simply click on it, okay? And here you need to go with preferred languages. Aligning to that, you go with add a language. And here you need to select the language that you prefer or that you would understand that you would like to set with in your Windows. So In my case, I'm gonna go with again with the French. Just have to search it here. Okay, and I'm gonna select the second one and then click on next. So the moment you click on it, it will be installed in your Windows. It will start on installing. Just have to wait until it will be installed. And then here at the country or region, you can also change the language that, I mean, the country that you'd prefer. Sorry for that. And here as well, you can go with the country that you have lived in with. Okay. In my case, I'm gonna go with French Guiana. Okay. So once you have set it, just have to wait until the language pack will be installed, will be done, and then you need to close this window once you're done, and then just have to restart your computer. And the moment you have restarted it, just have to relaunch your Windows again. I mean, the moment you have restarted it, it will be relaunched also. Then there you have that. You have just successfully set the preferred language or the first language that you would understand here in your Windows or computer. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.